Baby pizza pockets are a few bites of heaven that are perfect for an after-school snack or appetizers for your next gathering. They are quick, easy, and customizable to satisfy meat eaters or veggie peeps. The house will smell like your favorite pizzeria, so grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to bake some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Use a can of regular or buttermilk biscuits for your pizza pockets. Bust that baby open and separate the biscuits. Give the biscuits a slight roll on a cutting board and roll them until they're thin. Make sure to keep the edges free of filling if you can. Add about a teaspoon of your favorite pasta sauce slightly off-center. Add 1 pepperoni and a little sprinkle of your favorite cheese. I used a Swiss Gruyere mix here. Add a little spice if you like. Then gently fold over the empty side over the fillings, trying to keep them tucked inside. You may need to give the cheese a little nudge to keep it contained. Make sure the edges of the biscuits are touching and press lightly to keep it in place. Then use a fork to crimp the edges to seal everything in tight. Repeat the process using either the same filling, or you can make some veggie-friendly ones using some zucchini or your favorites cut into small strips. Add a little spice, then your cheese, and seal. You can also use other cheese like Asiago for a bit more kick in the cheese department. Transfer them to a cookie sheet and using an egg wash of 1 beaten egg and 1 tablespoon of water, gently brush the wash over the top of the pockets. This will give a beautiful golden crust as it bakes. Then sprinkle a little Italian seasoning on the top for extra flavor and a little garnish. Bake for 10 to 11 minutes in a 400-degree oven. When they're all done, you've got beautiful, tasty appetizers or snacks that they'll be waiting to dive into. Baby pizza pockets are cute, delicious snacks that you can make ahead and freeze as well. Thaw them the night before and put them on defrost for a minute or two to keep the flavor intact. Ooey gooey deliciousness awaits. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like and share the love with your family and friends.